Ungajaki kakhulu ukufunda iBhayibheli bese ushumayela ngalo. Ake nje uhlale mbijanyana lapha phansi ulifundisise. Bese uma uqeda ukulifunda uyalivumela ukuthi kube yilo elikukhulisako. Kube yilo elikcorrectako. Kube yilo elikufundisa ekukhuleni ezintweni ezikaNkulunkulu. Ngoba iphutha elikhona kwezinye insuku ukuthi abantu they are only reading Bible so that they can preach. Kungakho kusala bo verse 1 and 2 and 3. It is because of verse 5 kuyoshonyayelwa ngawo. Awuthi uma ufunda iBhayibheli ungalifundela ukushumayela ngalo. Kodwa awufunda iBhayibheli ngokukhula ezintweni zikaNkulunkulu. Kungakho we have the best preachers but they are lacking character. Because ukufunda ngecharacter kuncike ekutheni ufunde izwi likaNkulunkulu. We have great preachers who can preach but they are lacking character. Ngoba i-character alakho ibandla khonza kulona. Kodwa i-character lakhiwa ubudlelwano nabo nezwi likaNkulunkulu. Kuthi nala kumele uphakame khona because you are reading the word of God. Liyakufundisa ukuthi abazithobako. It will teach you about humbleness because you are reading the word or you are reading the Bible so that you can grow, you can learn. Kuyingozi kuma ulifunda iBhayibheli ukuthi uyoshumayela ngalo ungakakhulanga. Kusamela ukhule ubona izinto ezwini likaNkulunkulu, ufunde about miracles. Ungajaki ukwenza ama miracles because uma uphuthuma ukwenza ama miracles before ufundiseka uzokwenza inkinga yama miracles angabuyi kuNkulunkulu. Kodwa if you read the word of God, you will grow and understand ukuthi God can do anything. Bayasukuma bahlezi kuma wheelchair, bayabona bengaboni, bayakhuluma bangakhona ukukhuluma if you read the word of God. Because if ujaka ukusukuma la kufundeni uzofuna ukwenza but awukafundisekanga, awukaqeqeshekanga. Lifunde izwi likaNkulunkulu likwakhe, likukhulise, likumolde bese liyakushape, likunika direction yokuphila wena as the minister. Because as a minister of the word of God, since you are preaching the word of God, impilo yakho must be shaped. Funa ishapeke ngezwi likaNkulunkulu lifundako, hayi ngelishumayelako. That is why it's very much important ukuthi oshumayelako izwi malingahlaba abantu lingakamhlabanga yena. Kufana noma wengane uma anika ingane ibhodlela, akavele nje alicubhele emlonyeni ibhodlela uqala lizwe ukuthi lipholile na, lilungele ukuthi liyenganeni before ashumayela abantu umuntu lihlaba yena izwi. Nisibona sime kangaka nje amazwi sinishumayela ngawo ahlaba thina kuqala before afika kini.